What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and thank you so much for watching this video. You're here because you want to learn about making money online. Is it really possible to start making money online starting today? And the answer is yes, right? There's a lot of people that ask me, hey Adriana, how is it that you're making money online just by using the power of the internet? Okay, there are actually, the reality of it is that there are thousands and thousands of people creating six figures online, multiple six figures online, just by using this device, right? Their smartphone. And so I'm actually going to share with you the opportunity that I have taken advantage of and that has allowed me to generate this amount, right, in the last 30 days. So just in the month of March, I'm actually going to show you proof and log into my merchant account and show you I was able to make over $27,000 on complete autopilot, okay? For me, that is huge. That's a huge deal for me because, you know, there was at one point, I was working 2 full-time jobs, right? At one point, I was working 70 plus hours a week and I was still struggling, right? Trying to make ends meet. And so when I realized that this is not the way anybody should be living, because you're not really living, you're just trying to, get by. And so I made a decision, right? I had no time to hang out with my family. I had no time to travel, which is one of my biggest desires, right? I've been wanting to travel for the longest time, but I couldn't because I always had to be at work. And so this opportunity has given me the time freedom for myself, for my family, has allowed me to get out of debt, has allowed me to build a sustainable online business, and has allowed me to do the things that I love to do. And so I'm going to share it with you. And I'm going to share with you exactly how you can position yourself starting today, right, to start getting paid on a daily basis. Okay, so income disclaimer, okay, I'm not guaranteeing you any results because I don't know what type of person you are, if you're actually going to take action once you get access to my step-by-step training, but I'm going to show you what is possible based on my results and based on my testimonials from my team members' results. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some testimonials right here. Meanwhile, I'm logging into my merchant account. But you can see these testimonials right here. You can pause the video and read them, right? Because some of them are so inspiring, right? I've had people that were complete newbies that had zero experience and now are making an extra $1,000 a week. Now are making an extra $3,000 a month, right? I have people that are coming in that are making an extra $100 a day, right? An extra $500 a week. And so just by these people's testimonials, that gets me excited, right? Because I know that the training that they're getting access to is helping them take their business, take their finances to the next level. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, right? And so I get a lot of people that ask me, hey, Adriana, I'm a complete newbie. I have never made money online. Am I really going to have an opportunity to become successful? And I remind them, right? I remind them that, hey, at one point, remember, I was working at 2 full-time jobs. Remember, I had zero experience at one point. I was a complete newbie, but it all comes down to you, right? As an individual, how bad do you want it? How coachable are you? And are you willing to stay committed to actually building success for yourself and for your family? And so that's the question that you want to ask yourself before you get started, right? And so what this is a direct sales business opportunity, right? You're earning 100% commissions. You get paid on a daily basis, right? The requirements so that you can join this opportunity is that number 1, you must have a PayPal account, right? Because that's how you're going to get paid. And number 2, you must have a smartphone or a laptop. Okay. And number 3, you must have Wi-Fi or internet connection. Okay. You have these 3 things. And number 4, right? Number 4, you must be hungry for success and you must be willing and ready to work hard on a daily basis to start creating the results that you want. So once you get started with me today, you will be receiving my extra bonus training course, right? I'm going to show you exactly the strategies that I'm using, that my team members are using to generate these type of results, okay? And so I'm going to show you proof right now, but make sure that you do follow me on Snapchat, right? I'm a real person. My Facebook link is on the description. Make sure that you send me a message if you have any questions, or go ahead and comment down below on this video. Comment down below any questions that you might have. I'll go ahead and respond back to you. But guys, I'm super excited because, we're changing lives out here. It's real. You know, if you can dream it, you can have it. Okay, that's, I truly believe on that, in that quote. So let me go ahead and show you now. Awesome. So here we are in the back office. I'm going to actually make this a little bit bigger so you can see it clearly. You can see right there, that's my name, Adriana Villegas. Go to reports here. You can see it's loading. And just for the month of March, right? For the month of March, I'm going to go ahead and just go back here. The 1st until the 31st. Okay. And I'm going to click submit. Okay. And you can see right there that it's loading. So it's not a fake screenshot. And just right here below, as you can see, I'm going to make that a little bit bigger, but over $27,000, right? Over $27,000 on complete autopilot. And so in the last 30 days, that's almost 30,000, right? It used to take me more than an entire year to generate this type of income, even with my 2 full-time jobs, which is insane, right? And so in order to create a different outcome, you have to start taking different type of actions. So once you get started with the team, right, get the full details, go to my website, go to www.richmindsets.com. Anything is possible, right? It's all about believing in yourself. It's all about taking a risk and start changing your life, just like I did. Okay. So once you get started with the team, we have the No Limits training group. You can see right here, we have almost 6,000 members. Okay, we've grown rapidly. We're not going anywhere. We're changing people's lives, and it's all about doing that, right? At the end of the day, it's just all up to, it's all about changing other people's lives. And we have live training videos. You can see right here. We do live trainings to help the team. We just had a new testimonial from a team member. I'll let you hear him a little bit and see if you can actually hear him.
Together, phenomenal training inside her course. If you follow the blueprint that she has put together, you will see success. The system she has set up in place works, guys. It definitely works. I've already made $200, and we're like only the 4th day into the new month. So you need to focus, follow the blueprint to a T, watch the videos 4 or 5, maybe 6 times until.
So that's awesome, right? He just made a testimonial. He told me, hey, can I make a testimonial for you? It's been amazing. He's already having $500 weeks, making $500 a week. And that to me, it means the world. And so, these are just real people, just like you and me, that just wanted better for ourselves. This is my Facebook. So I'm a real person. You can see right there. I actually have over 27,000 followers. Yesterday, I just got my brand new laptop. So super excited about that. This is just me. I love to, inspire people and let them know, that they can do it. They have it in them. Anything is possible. Yeah, so you can just go through my profile. I'm a real person. Like I said, it's all about changing your life and just inspiring others to do the same. So go ahead and take action today. Go visit my website. Go to www.richmindsets.com, get the full details, and I will see you at the top.